So what's up everyone, this is me Satyan Sharma. In this video we will discuss how to score 120 plus marks in JEE Advanced 2022 starting from now. If I consider you have 6 to 7 months, if the new variant of COVID does not come into play, then we have 6 to 7 months because generally JEE Advanced is conducted during June or July. So see, 120 getting 120 marks also depends on paper difficulty. If you consider attempting JEE Advanced 2017 paper, then it was quite easy. So accordingly the cutoff will vary. So in that paper 120 marks is of no use, while if you consider JEE Advanced 2016 or JEE Advanced 2020, then if you get 120 marks, then you can get around 8,000 or 7,000 rank. So you can get lower branches in old IITs and decent branches in new IITs. But there are some basic points that we should keep in mind to score above 120. These points will help you in scoring 120 plus marks. You can also score 150 plus marks. That depends on your preparation. Some of them who are watching the video may have joined coaching classes from class 9th, some have joined from 11th, or some have joined from 12th, or maybe some are self-study students. So these points are valid for all. So point number 1 is solve JEE Advanced PYQs, the subjective questions. Now it's time to start solving the JEE Advanced previous year also, if you are primarily focusing on JEE Advanced, not on JEE Mains, because there are many students who do not get 99 or 98 percentile in JEE Mains, but they perform very well in JEE Advanced. That's because they have been focusing on JEE Advanced. So start solving the subjective questions. For physics, if you don't have any reference book, now this is for non-coaching students, if you don't have any other reference book like Cengage, Arihant, or you don't have a coaching material, some self-study students also get a coaching material, they can buy it. But if you don't have these two references, then solve H.C. Verma sir's books twice. Concepts of Physics part 1, part 2, you have to solve it twice if you don't have any other reference book, because that particular book is in itself sufficient to score a good marks in physics. For maths, you can solve Cengage or Arihant, any one of them. I had personally solved Cengage, so I would recommend it, because if you start even from basic, if your basic is clear and you want to go to advanced level, then this book is very good. It has lot of solved examples and exercise problems. For chemistry, the only solution NCERT. Apart from NCERT, you have to solve PYQs for organic and physical chemistry, because physical chemistry is not sufficient in NCERT. I would only say that inorganic chemistry is sufficient in NCERT. In chemistry, for organic and physical, you have to solve the PYQs. And for physical and organic, there are certain books. For example, for physical, you have N. Avasthi. For organic, you have MS Chauhan. So you can refer to those particular books if you want to score higher marks in JEE Advanced. Fifth, discussion with friends. I did this during my preparation. See, there are some friends who go to coaching and they have a coaching material, or they have been provided DPP sheets for JEE Advanced particularly. So you can have a discussion with them. You can take their coaching material for a day or two, and then you can see the questions. You can have a click of the questions, and then after returning, you can solve it on your comfort. Of difficult question, you can discuss with them, right? Sixth, this is the point where JEE Mains and JEE Advanced differ. Why some people score less in JEE Mains but score good in JEE Advanced is because they have in-depth understanding of whatever chapter they have studied. Even if they have covered 60% syllabus, then that 60% syllabus they will have in-depth understanding. They must have gone deep into that particular chapter. They would know the exact theory. They would know all formulas. They would have solved all exercises of whatever book they are solving. So that's why JEE Mains and JEE Advanced different. For JEE Advanced, you need not to cover 100% syllabus. 70% syllabus also, if you have covered wisely, then you can score 120 plus marks in JEE Advanced. Final point, hard work pays off. You need to put on some hard work, because only 6 to 7 months are left. Those who have been preparing for JEE Advanced since 1 year or 2 years may have an advantage over those who start preparing from now, but with hard work, dedication, motivation, you can beat them in this competition. So I hope you have understood the basic points. And also JEE Advanced depends on various other factors, such as your health before exams or your performance on the day of exams. Some of them just get nervous on the day of examination, so they perform poorly in it, even if they have performed well in JEE Mains. So I wish you all the best and keep studying. Thank you.